Hey everybody, welcome back to Sweet Homes. Are you ready to furnish your Airbnb without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm sharing my tried and true tips for creating a stylish guest-ready Airbnb on a budget. We're talking about clever solutions, DIY magic, and finding those hidden gems that make all the difference. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's get started on transforming your Airbnb into a space that feels like home. First things first, let's talk about setting a budget. Whether you've got £1,000 or £5,000, knowing your limit is key. You don't have to spend a fortune to create a space guests will love. It's all about prioritizing. Think about what your guests will use and appreciate the most. Once you know what matters most, you can allocate your budget wisely and make those areas shine. IKEA is your best friend for budget-friendly finds. With a bit of creativity, you can turn basic pieces into something special. Think about swapping out standard knobs and handles, or adding a fresh coat of paint in a bold color. Get ready for a treasure hunt in the world of second-hand shopping. Places like Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, and local charity shops are gold mines for furniture finds. Sometimes a little TLC is all it takes to bring a piece back to life. Don't underestimate the power of a good sale. Outlet stores and seasonal sales are your secret weapons for scoring incredible deals. Many furniture shops have clearance sections with hidden gems at discounted prices. It's like a reward for being patient and strategic with your shopping. A neutral color palette creates a timeless and elegant look for your Airbnb. Think calming whites, warm grays, and soft beiges for a clean, modern backdrop. Now that we've got our neutral base, it's time to add personality and warmth with texture. Think cozy throws, plush rugs, and cushions in different textures and patterns. Every room deserves a statement piece, something that catches the eye and adds personality. It could be a bold lamp, an interesting mirror, or a piece of wall art. Choose something you love that reflects the overall style of your Airbnb. Before you toss out that old dresser, consider giving it a new lease on life with a fresh coat of paint. It's a fun and affordable way to add your own personal touch to your space. Repurposing isn't just about being resourceful, it's about infusing your space with character and charm. Get creative and think outside the box with items like wooden crates or old ladders. You don't need to spend a fortune on artwork. Creating your own art is easier than you think and adds a personal touch. Try printable designs, simple canvas paintings, or framing fabric scraps for a unique display. And there you have it, your guide to furnishing your Airbnb on a budget without sacrificing style. Which tip was your favorite? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real estate and Airbnb tips from Sweet Homes. See you in the next video.